Ugh, my water bill is always so high, and I try to take shorter showers, but on wash days it's impossible to do it quickly with my hair.
Yeah. Do you know if you have a low flow shower head?
I'm not sure.
Well, a low flow shower head works by restricting the water and forcing it through tiny little holes. A typical shower head uses 5 gallons per minute, and this one will cut it down by half.
Oh, really? That's awesome. We should go check and see if ours is low flow.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Can you show me if this is low flow? I'm not sure.
Yeah, of course. So usually shower heads have the imprinted amount on the side, but this one says 5 gallons per minute, which is the standard flow. So you're going to want a low flow shower head. If it doesn't say anything, you can just get a 1 gallon bucket and let it fill up with water and see how long that takes. And that'll give you an idea of what kind of shower head you have.
Oh, awesome. Thank you for explaining that. So can we go ahead and change mine out to a high efficiency one or a low flow shower head?
Yeah, I have a low flow shower head, so let's go and do that.
Ah, you're the best. Thank you.
Yeah. So with an adjustable wrench or channel lock pliers, you're going to want to lightly unscrew it. And it should pop right out. Okay, and then I can just do the rest myself. And voila. So step 2, you're going to want to get some white Teflon tape, and you're just going to want to cut a small amount, enough to go around the shower. And this just secures your shower head on a little bit stronger. Just going to want to wrap it around. And that's it. Okay, and we're almost done actually. So this is your new verified WaterSense shower head. It's 1.5 gallons per minute, which is great. And we're just going to screw this on by hand. And we can use the wrench to tighten it if we need to, just to make it tighter. Okay, but I'm pretty strong, so I don't need a wrench. Okay, cool. Let's test it out.
So what about the pressure?
Oh, it's actually perfectly fine.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So modern versions are a lot better with pressure and efficiency?
Way better. So even if you're picky about your water pressure, don't worry, this isn't going to affect it at all.
That's so wonderful. I can't wait to save money and water.
It's going to be great.
Yay.